Hello everyone, welcome back to another round of Kamyowitz. This is the first brand tournament and we are in the second semi-final. In the previous semi-final, Saida and Ketki qualified into the finals, booking 2 spots out of the 4. And today we have 4 new participants. I mean, not new participants, they've all won their own respective quarterfinals because of which they're here today. So we have 4 participants who will be fighting for the next and the last 2 spots into the finale. So we have Ava, Neha, Shwetank. We were supposed to have Jeet, but due to some circumstances, Jeet could not join us. So next in line was Anand, and I welcome Anand with open arms. So today's uh, sequence is Anand, Ava, Neha, and Shwetank. The rules, like always, none of the background should be uh, focused or giving out the answers, focused who are giving out the answers. There will be 10 marks for every correct answer. And once I give a hint for a question and there's another cycle that goes on, it will become for 5 points. The questions will be passed in the cyclic manner, which I just said, Anand, Ava, Neha, and Shwetank, and it will be reversed after the first half, which is after 10 questions. Your humor-based answers are encouraged, and so are wild guesses, because in the brand tournament, wild guesses tend to work a lot. So we'll start off today's quiz with the first question for Anand. Now, X produces suiting fabric with a capacity of producing 31 million meters of wool and wool blended fabrics. Now, identify X, whose brand includes the following: premium apparel, made to measure, ethnics, Park Avenue Woman, Color Plus, Kama Sutra, and Parks.
I have an answer in my head, but I'm going to look very dumb if it's wrong. Hmm. Is this the Aditya Birla Group?
Not the Aditya Birla Group. Going to Ava.
I'm not sure either, so I'm just gonna go with Raymond.
Brilliant answer. Raymond is the right answer. Raymond gets Ava 10 points. The next direct is for Neha. An automobile company in reality. Blank was a name that was first registered by SKF in order to launch their new series of ball bearings. So SKF is a Charrewali company, as the name meant I roll in Latin. So the blank that we are looking for, the Latin meaning of blank is I roll. However, that idea did not materialize and the name wasn't used. In 1924, an SKF sales manager and an engineer decided to start a Swedish car that would withstand the rigors of the country's rough roads and cold temperatures. And blank became the name of that Swedish car company. Just fill in the blank for with the brand that I'm talking about.
I roll. Wow. Okay then.
But when I first read the question, I was like, "What? Why does Salman Khan films make cars?" Very
I
ironic.
actually wanted to clarify that. I forgot. Yeah. SKF.
Dude, I saw that in
So
Shamka Josh.
what
I was
does,
like,
can I ask, what does SKF stand for? Does
It's
it?
a Charrewali company, ball bearings.
Okay. Okay. Wow. Ah. Wow. 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 Swedish car. Hmm. I have no clue. Pass.
Going to Shwetank.
Okay. The only Scandinavian automobile company is Volvo. Is that right?
Brilliant answer. It is Volvo. Volvo in Latin means I roll. So Shwetank opens his account with 10 points, bringing the direct again to Anand. An American direct response marketing brand blank was founded by Ajit J. Khubani to sell peculiar products such as Amber Vision sunglasses, the Fed Egg, Doggy Steps, 1 second needle, pasta boat, Jupiter Jack, bottle tops, Aluma wallet, Insta bulb, Link lizard, Pet rider, and pocket rocket. So this is the line of products that this particular brand sold. Now AJ Khubani also started a Shark Tank simile called Pitchman, where such peculiar inventions were brought into the show and were selected to become a product to be sold on TV. I am just looking for the name of the brand that Ajit J. Khubani founded, which sells these peculiar brands.
I mean, this is fascinating. The very fact that there is a show like that. जैसे हर रोडीज का होता है स्प्लिट्स वाला, वैसे इसका भी है शार्क टैंक का पिचमैन. इट्स नाइस टू सी दैट. यार आई नो जस्ट वन even remotely made for TV brand वैसे जो ये सब करता है. Is this TVC?
Not TVC. Good guess. Almost on the right track. Ava.
Is it QVC?
Not QVC. Going to Neha.
I would have been so mad. I would have been so mad.
I'm thinking of Indian references. This is not my final answer. Like Teleshopping Network. I don't know how old people are to actually know this.
Hey, Naptol है.
No. Naptol is a baby in front of what she's saying.
I know.
Again, I'll just reiterate that it's an American brand.
Yeah. So I'm thinking direct response marketing. Telebrands?
Brilliant answer. It is Telebrands. Telebrands, whose motto was as sold on TV. So Neha gets 10 points for Telebrands.
I should have gotten this year. I watched their ads all the time while waiting for Powerpuff Girls. सुबह.
Indian.
ये बेचते थे वो Ab Blaster बना. Yeah, Cartoon Network पे it was.
Indian copy वो था Asians का ऐसा जो SL World में भी जिन्होंने कियोस्क खोल रखा.
नहीं, but they also like their ads came on TV. Cartoon Network के पहले. सुबह नो दोपहर like वही
रात को भी आता था, लेट नाइट में भी.
इन्होंने बहुत इनसिक्योर किया है मुझे यार, ये अपना एब ब्लास्टर दिखा के. यार वो 6 फुट का आदमी है, ब्लॉन्ड है, उसके एब्स होंगे ना, तो मुझे क्यों. वेरी ridiculous.
Then okay, with Neha getting 10 points for Telebrands, the next direct goes to Shwetank. Before becoming a multimillionaire with Wonder Chef, Sanjeev Kapoor was known to don his name on a fat-free cooking electric tandoor. Regardless of being popular due to extensive marketing, the product didn't stand the test of time. The reason why this tandoor was launched is because of a similar successful product in the USA, X, which had also marketed itself widely after the name of an American sportsperson. I want to tell me the name of the brand which was there in US.
Okay. I can think of only one episode in The Office. I think that is the only guess that I have. So is it George Foreman?
Brilliant answer. It is the George Foreman Grill. George Foreman Grill gets Shwetank another 10 points. George Foreman. And Sanjeev Kapoor came up with a Sanjeev Kapoor Tandoor. So, brilliant answer. 10 points to Shwetank, bringing the next direct to Anand. Founded during the reign of Louis XVI, the Royal Manufactory of Mirror Glass developed a revolutionary procedure that involved casting glass on a metal table. It opened its main production site in a small village in the northeastern part of the kingdom, from which it took its name. The 20th century was one of diversification after focusing almost exclusively on manufacturing mirror glass since it was founded. it now became interested in all types of glass products. So after the 20th century, this particular company, this particular brand started producing different glass products. I want you to identify.
And before my answer, no, Aditya, please start marking my jokes. क्योंकि I'm not winning this वैसे भी. At least I'll win the joke thing. And मैंने 3-4 मार दिए अभी तक, and I'm seeing you're not budging.
Hmm, I have.
Thank you. यार वो 3-4 ही कंपनी है यार, ये 3-4 कंपनी मिला के है, तो ये अलंकार ऑप्टिशियंस तो है नहीं. तो आई इज दिस सेंट गोबेन
Brilliant answer. It is Saint Gobain.
एंड जीसस.
Saint Gobain was the name of the place where it was founded. Saint Gobain gets Anand his first 10 points, bringing the next direct to Ava. X was founded in 1962 by Joel N. Myers, then a Pennsylvania State University graduate student working on a master's degree in meteorology. His first customer was a gas company in Pennsylvania. By gas company, it means they manufactured processed gas, and not just sold, not a petrol pump. While running his company, Myers also worked as a member of Penn State's meteorology faculty, and the company adopted the name X in 1971. Now, X is what I want you to identify, which is categorized as an American media company.
Can I ask what type of?
Like, obviously it's a specific type of a media company, but as of now, I can only emphasize that it's considered to be a media company, but yes, it has something to do with meteorology.
I have no idea. The Weather Channel.
Not the Weather Channel. Going to Neha.
Meteorology. Is this AccuWeather?
Brilliant answer. It is AccuWeather. AccuWeather is a website that is considered to be the benchmark for all the meteorological websites. They give the most accurate, and it's never the accurate, but with AccuWeather, the next direct goes to Shwetank. Identify this brand introduced in 1984 and has over 60 variants of products.
Jordans?
Could you be a little more specific?
Nike Jordans? I don't know.
Improvise on your answer. I mean, you're on the right track.
What else? I can't think of anything else.
Look at the image.
I can't get it.
Okay, I'll give it to you. Yeah, the word that I was looking for was
I have
Air
the exact.
Jordan. So I would have anyway given most of the points to him. That's why
Okay, that's fair.
I'll give it. Air Jordans get Shwetank 10 more points. So the person was Michael Jordan, and these were the sneakers that came out. The next question is for Anand. Again, a sports-based question. Shiv Naresh is an Indian sportswear brand popularly donned by Olympians. Its name and design have been claimed to be a facsimile of an English sportswear brand. This is the name and this is the logo. and I just want you to tell me which English brand is it considered to be a facsimile of.
Can you elaborate on that? What is the facsimile?
The design of this logo, that's why the logo has been mentioned, that this design is similar to something else, and somewhat the name also feels derivative to the English brand.
That's a tricky question, dude, because it's clearly Puma, but the name is, let me think. Is this Sunridges?
Not Sunridges. Going to Ava.
Yeah, I have no idea. I'm just gonna go with Puma.
Not Puma. Neha.
The logo is familiar. I also thought of Puma, but I know that it's not Puma. Something S only. I'm not. Can I ask if it's a two-word brand? Because
I can't
it's a
answer that.
What is a facsimile though?
A subtle way of saying chapa.
Oh.
He meant to say that's very Anu Malik of him. जो करा है ना उसने यहाँ पे, it's very Anu Malik.
Or Navjot Singh Sidhu, depends on who you're looking at, but whatever. Is this God Slazenger?
Brilliant answer. It is Slazenger.
Oh,
Slazenger is the absolute facsimile of Shiv Naresh, and that's what it gets. But then all the Olympic sportswear are being sponsored by Shiv Naresh, so no grudges. Slazenger gets Neha 10 points. Bringing the next direct to Shwetank, who already had his answer on his mouth. कि हाँ नेहा पास कर दे. Now, this one is again one of my favorite questions. Blank is an Indian hotel chain with 12 properties throughout the country. The chain is also known to have a strong monopoly in the food and beverage industry, offering buffet meals in 150 outlets in India, 5 outlets in UAE, 1 outlet in Malaysia, and 1 outlet in Oman. Identify the Indore-based hotel chain.
So by food and beverage industry, you mean to say that FMCG, right?
So by food and beverage mean, I'm saying that they have a particular sector, like a particular division that focuses on buffet meals in various outlets.
Oh.
The parent company is a hotel chain with 12 properties.
Yeah. Indian hotel chain. I'm just going to go with ITC.
Good guess, not ITC. Going to Anand.
I had a lot of answers in my mind, but the Indore-based chain is just like, why is it Indore-based? What do they sell? Just tambaku and say what? पान में सेब डालते हैं यार. This is. I'll go with the Lalit. I know it's Delhi-based.
The what?
The Lalit.
Lalit. Okay, no,
The
not
Lalit.
the Lalit. Going to Ava.
So I do have a couple of answers. I'm gonna go with Tunga.
Not Tunga. Going to Neha.
So I lived in Indore, and the only thing I can think of, but I can't imagine why it would have Malaysia and in Oman. Sayaji Hotels.
Brilliant answer. It is Sayaji
Oh, it
Hotels.
is? Oh,
Sayaji
wow.
Hotels is the name of the hotel brand, and the buffet part that I'm talking about is obviously Barbecue Nation. So, for those who don't know, Barbecue Nation is owned by Sayaji Group. So, Sayaji brings another 10 points for Neha.
Yeah, I was just going to say KD is getting married here, so KD will be extra happy about this.
Now, the next question, which is the last question of the first half, goes to Shwetank. Now, Interact CAD was a designing tool released in 1979, also referred to as MicroCAD since it was the first computer application to run on microcomputers. Before that, it was all working on mainframes. In 1982, it was renamed as X after the partnership with Marine Chip Software Printers, later renamed to something else. Today, it is the most stable CAD and drafting software available on Windows, Mac OS, and even iOS and Android. Identify X, the later name of Interact CAD.
Is it AutoCAD?
I swear, it's like you
Obviously.
ask all the things that are like I know immediately after my turn forward.
You also
And
knew
before
Syed.
mine,
Like I'm an architect, and like if I didn't know this, this would have been like really sad.
this
So,
is kind of maddening because he's getting Volvo, AutoCAD, and Air Jordans, and I'm getting Slash and Joe for no reason. This is
so since
मेरा नाम खराब है यार, गलती मेरे नाम की है.
with this, we reach the first half. So everyone has a few points in their bank. Now we'll reverse the order. It'll be Shwetank, Neha, Ava, and then Anand. Starting with Shwetank. So this list has a few names: Nandlal Dayaram, Arihant, Golden, Oswal, and Deepak. Now it's non-exhaustive. And I want you to tell me what is this category of publication that connects these brands?
Education? Academics?
I need a more specific answer.
Engineering?
Not engineering, going to Neha.
Yeah,
This is
even I
another
was thinking like
favorite
Arihant
question.
Publications and Oswal se Motilal Oswal aa raha hai, so I'm not able to connect anything with this. Oh my god. What are these like? CBSE
That is what I'm
books?
asking.
I don't know. I was ICSE, so I don't know. CBSE books is my guess.
Not CBSE books. Going to Ava.
I was gonna say ICSE, but I don't think it's ICSE. Is it HSC?
Kafi acha elimination, but not HSC. I'm okay. There's Anand left. After that, I'll say about that. Anand.
Yeah, specific matlab, how specific do you want to get? Because I know those are study guides, but like, do you want a specific exam there for?
I can't answer, not deny. For
Okay.
a very weird reason, I can't answer that.
यार ये अरिहंत की IAS के बुक्स नहीं आते, IAS prep के, are these for UPSC prep?
Not UPSC prep. So
Can I get a last answer, please? Because I have one more answer in mind.
I'll
Is
give
it
you. I'll give a hint now,
Hmm.
so you'll get a chance anyway. So now someone here had just mentioned what it is, and okay, CBSE is the right track because they publish first with regards to CBSE, but we know that CBSE books, they are all printed by NCERT, so it can't be CBSE books, but there's something along that line, and I think Anand just got that answer.
Yeah, because I just
Yeah,
should have
that's why I
stopped
could not
reading.
answer. We'll go again
That
with
stopped
Shwetank.
me because, yeah.
Shraddha?
Okay.
It's a favorite question because I owe a lot to these publications. Not a good thing to say out publicly, but who cares?
What did Anand say? He said IS.
He's waiting for you to miss it out so that he can say it back. That's why
I
it's
said
not
nothing. I said, Shwetank, I said kill me. I said strangle me is what I said.
IS and UPSC. He went with UPSC. That's not the right answer. Right? IS.
not IS. Neha.
He said study guides, so I'm going to go with study guides.
These are
11th,
guidebooks
12th
or
study.
study guides. So Nandlal Dayaram, ND, Arihant, Golden, these were all the benchmark of guidebooks, which brings 5 more points for Neha.
Thanks,
Again,
Anand.
This
I
is
owe you
this
one.
was my favorite because I could never afford Golden, and then I had to resort to ND because it was 40 rupees. So great going. The next direct is for Ava. Destination X oversees the management, marketing, and tourism promotion for its golf courses, hotels, private clubs, shops, restaurants, company-sponsored and village events, and as the hospitality division of X, a plumbing products company that also manufactures furniture, cabinetry, tiles, engines, and generators. Now, of that Destination X, one such brand, which is the American Club, is a highly rated resort hotel in the Midwest in US. I want you to tell me this X. What is X? The plumbing company.
I have no idea. Jaguar?
Not Jaguar. Going to Anand.
It had to come to me. But the godforsaken questions are coming. Not too bad. I like these. What's funny is KK would have known this too. He would have gone like, नहीं यार, Tiger Woods है मेरे मामे का लड़का. मैं लेके गया था एक बार. I do remember this. This American plumbing company. I can't even think of anything. Since and all also. Generator. Just to be funny, I'll say Kirloskar. The red generators and I want to get
I've
that.
already given you fun points in this question, so I can't.
Yeah, it's fine. Let's just pass this year.
Okay, going to Shratank.
No, I have no idea.
Okay. Neha. Neha, are you there?
is this? Astral Pipes है. सलमान खेलता है golf.
क्या?
Like, is this Astral Pipes? सलमान खेलता है क्या golf वगैरह कुछ? What
सलमान
is this?
golf based movies प्रोड्यूस जरूर करता है.
Like, which one? ये मुझे कैसे नहीं पता. What?
You haven't seen Freaky Ali?
Oh yeah, Freaky Ali. I forgot that was SKF. हाँ. But
As a last resort, Neha will start WhatsApping me कि मेरे को क्वेश्चन भेज, मैं आंसर करती हूँ.
also did Freaky Ali come like after Kick?
Yeah.
I'm so
हाँ,
sorry.
that's the
So
Salman
sorry.
Khan bundle.
I had a major Wi-Fi snafu. Anyway, yeah. So, is it my turn?
Yes.
What were the previous answers, if I may ask?
Jaguar, Kirloskar, and one more. Probably Astral Pipes, but
No, I just passed.
हाँ, Shatang just passed. तो
Plumbing. Plumbing and tile. So, plumbing and tile, I can only think of Kohler. I don't know if they produce anything else, anybody else. So,
brilliant answer.
yeah.
It is Kohler. Kohler is the right answer. Another 10 points to Neha.
I thought that Kohler doesn't sound like an American name. It sounds more like a German name. So that's why I didn't know.
डिजाइन जर्मन हो जाता है, काम तो अमेरिका में ही निपटाते हैं सब. तो with Kohler, the next direct goes to Ava. Electric and Musical Industries Limited, EMI, London, was incorporated in Calcutta, which is now Kolkata, as the Gramophone and Typewriter Limited. The following year, gramophone inventor Emil Berliner's assistant Fred Gaisberg came to India on a mission to capture its music. Gauhar Jan became the first Indian artist to be recorded there on 5th January 1902. In 1907, a record factory was started in Dum Dum in Calcutta, the first outside of UK. Then later on, the name was the label was renamed to X, and in 2000 it was completely changed to its current name Y. So I want you to tell me what are X and Y. Both have 5 points.
Is there a hint in the question?
I don't know. There's only one hint that I can see.
I have no idea whatsoever. Furtados.
And why?
Furtados was, I don't know. Sony Music? I really don't know.
गलत आंसर दे तो दोनों दो ना फिर. तो not Furtados or Sony Music. Going to Anand.
So clarify, this is the music label we're talking about, right?
Yeah.
Many. In what name goes well with like Usha also phenomenon? क्या अच्छा लगेगा इसे? And I know it's wrong, but I'll go with Vivo for Y.
and X.
Again, I know बहुत ही गलत है, but just because it has to be a British recording label or something like that. Abbey Road and B Road. It's wrong.
Not the right answers. We go on to Shwetank.
Think of anything. T-series.
Good guess.
Right.
And X.
Good guess, it's the wrong guess. Um, X. Which idea name? I'm gonna pass on X.
Okay. Not T series. Going to Neha.
So I know X, but I don't know why. Because I remember the logo. That was the gramophone and the dog,
Oh.
I want to say. That was HMV.
Okay. For X.
But why? Did HMV become? Um, what could it be? Saregama?
Brilliant answer. It is HMV and Saregama. Another 10 points to Neha for HMV, his master's
Wow.
voice.
Saregama
And
was pure tukka.
so with this, we go to the last 3 questions or 4 questions. नहीं नहीं कभी तो अरे भाई साहब अभी तो काफी है. So we go to the next direct for Ava. Anand, if you missed it, the answer was HMV and Saregama.
Saregama. And you know that was going to be a joke answer for mine. Saregama. It's trippy now. I was going to say that.
Now, Ava's direct. X is a quirky, chic, modern Indian cafe where the guests enjoy a sensory experience through the finest modern cuisine with a high energy ambience. This is what they say. Apart from that, they also state that uh, infusing a generous dose of Indian flavors, X Cafe presents Indian cuisine where culinary art meets the alchemy of modern presentations and cooking techniques like molecular gastronomy and to absorb the guest into the ultimate gastronomic illusion, which the name tries to relate with. So the gastronomic illusion part is what I'm trying to say is the link between the name of X and what it does. So I just want you to identify X, the cafe brand, and your one hint that is already there is illusion.
Is this an Indian brand? Is this
Yeah.
an Indian chain?
Ava, I want to say you know this. Try.
You have a lot of hope in me, Neha. I have no idea. I'm just gonna say Circus Cafe.
Not Circus Cafe, going to Anand. Just checking.
Could you repeat the hint?
Ava's mom's not watching today. Oh. The hint is, I haven't given a hint. Okay, the hint that
No.
I said before. So their name, basically they say that their name is what resonates with an illusion. Although it does not actually literally mean like that, but that is their take over the why they chose this name X Cafe, because they were focusing on how they can create an illusion of gastronomy.
I'll just go with my best guess. I'll say, is this Chayos?
Not Chayos. Nothing in Chayos is an illusion.
Yeah,
Uh,
that's what.
it's very straightforward. 100 rupees ka chai. So, uh, going to Shwetank.
I think it has something to do with illusion in Hindi, probably. Figure out what it's called in Hindi. Not sure. Sorry, I'm just going to delay Neha getting the points. No, I'm trying to help us. Yeah.
Neha.
It's Fuzzy Cafe.
Brilliant answer. It is Fuzzy Cafe. So, I mean, the hint was going to be illusion basically means something that's not real. And Fuzzy. So, Fuzzy Cafe brings another 10 points. Now, going to the next question for Ava again. During the late 2019 and early 2020, Blank began criticizing the Communist Party of China and expressing their support for the liberation of Hong Kong during the 2019-2020 protests, with an image on the front page of the messaging platform saying Xi Jinping, General Secretary of the CPC, sure looks like Winnie the Pooh. This was the front page, the home page of this website, this messaging platform. So Blank is the name of the messaging platform, and I want you to tell me what is it.
Again, I have no idea, so just duck, duck, go. Only thing I can think of.
Not DuckDuckGo. Going to Anand.
It's like I'm not able to think about an answer because it's so ridiculous. I'm trying to let that sink in. I'm
Yes,
guessing it's a multinational company who just went and did this.
it's available everywhere. It's a website accessible to all, but I don't think so. It's a multinational company.
That's how you get hints without asking for them. Let me. I think I read about this, but of course, not on the platform. Is this Viber?
Not Viber. Going to Shwetank.
Is it only present on the internet?
Yeah.
Is it BuzzFeed?
Not BuzzFeed. Going to Neha.
By messaging platform, do you mean like chatting, like proper,
Yeah, मतलब
like
messaging.
how you had like MSN and Yahoo in the past?
हाँ, वैसे मैसेजिंग
So
होती है
then
तो कुछ भी हो सकता है. लाइक आज के टाइम पे तो इतने सारे मैसेजिंग प्लेटफॉर्म्स हैं. And
it's
I've
a
already
it's
said
a
Shwetank.
website only allowed.
Yeah, so
Only
it's
on
not
YouTube.
like text messaging or anything.
Then I can only think of Omegle.
Okay, Omegle is the right answer.
I'm going to call it Omegle. Carlo jo karna hai.
Dude, this is insane.
Why are we
So-
playing?
Just to suffer.
Okay, so
Meme.
another 10 for Neha, bringing the question back to Ava. X India Private Limited was founded in 1963 during the license Raj. That time, in order to have a company, you need to have license or permit by TPG Nambiar in Palakkad, Kerala, as a company for manufacturing hermetically sealed precision panel meters for the defense forces. Nambiar had worked in the United Kingdom and United States, and when he returned to India, he desired to create a company that manufactured high-quality electronic products. And he wanted to make X a household name. The initial products were precision measuring instruments such as the hermetic sealed panel meters for Bharat Electronics as a subcontract for Indian Army. And then they later on switched to medical devices and then even household appliances like TVs and cassettes. So I want you to tell me what is X.
Can I ask what are hermetic sealed panel meters?
I have no clue. If only I took engineering. But it's not relevant. That's the point. The relevant parts are there, which I can tell you what they are. That's why I've kept it. The ones which are irrelevant, they are just here to take up space.
Let me tell you, many engineers won't get what hermetically sealed precision panel.
You're looking at one.
meters are.
You're looking at one. Okay, fine, no, dude.
Reliance.
Not
It's my
Reliance.
joke answer.
Okay, joke answer ले लिया. Real answer?
Uh, oh, it's X India.
Yeah. So
United.
India Private Limited is because it's the registered name, but we all know it by X. So just tell me what is X.
Unilever.
How innocently he said that. Okay, not Unilever. Going to Anand.
And again, I have too many answers in my head. I'm getting like major electronic lab flashbacks and all that. People yelling at me to fucking not break the bread book.
Actually, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक लैब्स में भी उनके प्रोडक्ट्स हैं.
Hey, that's मेरा ध्यान कहीं और था ना यार. ये काट देना पर सुबह सुबह गांजा पी के जाओ तो ये होता है यार. रात में कहाँ ध्यान रहेगा. Okay, so do they only make these things? Do they make something else?
They make a lot of things, but these are like the popular things. Medical devices, they make it. And household appliances में मैंने सिर्फ दो लिखे हैं, but they make a lot of other things as well.
This Philips.
Not Philips. Going to Shwetank.
Are the TVs very widely known?
I can't answer that. Now you're pushing it.
Okay. TV brands are Now I'm banking on TV brands. Um, is it Onida?
Good guess, not Onida. Going to Neha.
So I want to preface this by saying this quiz is strangely connected to my life, like a lot of these questions.
Everyone gets a
My dad,
Slumdog moment.
no. My dad is from Palakkad, and I'm just banking on what my Dadaji told me a long time ago about this particular company. It's BPL.
Brilliant answer. Bharat Physical Laboratory, PPL, is the right answer.
Yeah.
So, as I said,
This
it's a
means I'm
Slumdog
next
thing.
again.
This is just,
Yes.
it's little creepy. I'm a little concerned, Aditya. Are you doing like
No.
some sort of,
No. The point is, right now I'm in a tough spot because the lines that I draw, Neha ka khatam ho gaya. Okay.
This answer is very much how the quiz is going. The answer is being BPL.
BPL. So, just following the routine, the next direct is again for Ava. Nick Woodman.
Aditya, how many left?
I don't know. It's supposed to end in
Four,
8,
four.
4, 3.
Four more,
Yeah,
no?
four
ये
more.
इनके साथ.
So, Nick Woodman went on a fishing trip once and wondered how tedious it was to capture the action on water. He later founded X, a solution to all these problems, and later went beyond surfing. In 2014, X came up with an easy to do 360-degree video maker. So, I just want you to tell me what is the name of the brand X.
As per always, I do not know the answer, so I'm just gonna say GoPro.
Brilliant answer. It is GoPro. So,
Finally.
Ava gets 10 points for GoPro. Brilliant answer. Bringing the next again. Now, I've been saying this a lot that this question is my favorite, that question is my favorite, but honestly, this one is my absolute favorite. This goes to Anand. Tea is a common household beverage that is consumed by at least one person in every family. However, it was not supposed to be this popular in India. During the colonial times, tea was a product sought as a luxury. This resulted in a small buyer spectrum. To make it more common, the colonial government brought in tea from a Glasgow-based company and started offering tea as a break beverage to everyone who worked for the British Raj. After a substantive period of time, having tea as a free beverage was stopped and people were now addicted to it. This led to the successful establishment and increased sales for the Glasgow-based tea company. And I just want you to tell me what tea company are we talking about?
You are addicted to it. ये बड़ी गलत नशे है ये. शायद. See, I've never gotten the thing with tea, you know. I'm sorry, I'm going all Jerry Seinfeld here, but it's like
But
it's a
I
nice
mean,
beverage, but
I am also not addicted. And it's just the fact that I'm
exactly.
addicted to this question because this trivia dates back 14, 15 years. And I still
So
remember
you can
it.
boil this trivia, you can boil it down by just saying the British were dicks. Okay,
Yeah.
it's
So
that one sentence.
what was this?
That's what all addicts say. Arnav watches The Wire a lot, उसको पता है ये सब एकदम. Wire देखता है काफी. अच्छा, let's not waste time. Is this Lipton?
Brilliant answer. It is Lipton. So
Thank God.
Thomas Lipton brought tea from Sri Lanka and then he was selling it in UK. But then they thought कि UK से ज़्यादा तो इंडिया में बिक पाएगा. तो इंडिया में लोगों को नशा लगवा दिया और फिर इंडिया में लिप्टन आया. So Lipton gets 10 points for Anand. I remember this Kendriya Vidyalaya 7th standard history class. My teacher was wearing a white shirt while discussing how this happened. So with this, we go to the last two questions of today's quiz. The direct is for Shwetank. It was in 2000 that X began their journey, a journey where every milestone said Rukna Mat. It was a great journey to take Ghar Ka Khana from good to great as they believed that हम सिर्फ good पे नहीं रुकते. Started with vegetable oils. Today they have expanded to a variety of essential food items like rice, flour, pulses, etc. Identify X.
So X is essentially into groceries. Are you
Yeah, मतलब I
confirming,
can't
denying
confirm it.
either?
I
Okay.
can't.
I love how cute Shaitank is here. He asks his specific things and then he's like just confirming. Like the last question, he was this इतना दूर था just from just going here. अकाई तो नहीं है ना पक्का? अकाई डेवू कुछ नहीं. अच्छा. Very cute.
Did you answer?
No, I'm just thinking.
Here are the last two questions, which should end soon because मैं 2 घंटे से यहीं बैठा हूँ, मुझे सब जगह दर्द हो रहा है.
If this is last two questions here. ये तुमको आता होगा तो मत बोलना यार. I need this. Not like it's going to make a difference, but kind
तो
of.
फिर
It
if you
will
get this, तो फिर आदित्य को और थोड़ा बेटर लो. तो
Yeah.
uh, 2000 अपना बाजार.
not Apna Bazaar. Going to Neha.
मेरे को रुकना मत से, I don't know, I straight away thought of Fevicol, पकड़े रहना छोड़ना नहीं, I don't know why. But so vegetable oils that has expanded to all this is Saffola. I think it could be something else also. I'm going with Saffola.
Good guess, not the right answer. Going to Ava.
I was also gonna get Saffola, but Fortune.
Brilliant answer. It is Fortune.
Dude, I
Fortune.
completely forgot. Fortune also does these things where the taglines are like very hipster.
हाँ.
ये सारी पेपर बोट वाली हरकतें यार. सारी पेपर बोट वाली हरकतें हैं. We will make some random. जलजीरा कौन बेचता है यार?
Oh God,
20
I
रुपए
was
का.
thinking of this guy only, Akshay, saying
गुजरात
doing all this
आके देख.
atta dal
Everyone
and all.
drinks Jaljeera.
बट यार ऐसे पैकेट में यार मैं खोल के पी लूंगा. ये क्या मतलब हुआ? इतनी हिम्मत कि तुम जलजीरा अब लोग खरीद भी रहे हैं.
With this,
क्या बात
we
है?
come to the last question of today's semi-final 2 for Anand. The Schrader
For
trunk
Ava, for Ava.
Ava gave
Hi, अभी तो guess किया मैंने.
अच्छा उल्टा जा रहा है. I'm sorry.
so Anand, the Schrader Trunk Manufacturing Company introduced
नहीं I thought नहीं. Yeah.
The Schrader Trunk Manufacturing Company introduced a vulcanized fiber suitcase in 1939, which became the best-selling suitcase of that time. The suitcase was named after a biblical strongman, as were the properties of the suitcase. The rise in popularity led to Jesse Schrader, the founder or the CEO of the company, renamed the company to X itself, X being the name of the suitcase. So I want you to identify.
ये स्ट्रॉन्गमैन पक्का बिब्लिकल है क्योंकि मेरे दिमाग में पूरी अलग मैथोलॉजी चल रही है.
It is biblical.
मैंने अटैचमेंट तो देखी है वो एटलस की आती है तो लेट्स गो विद एटलस.
Good guess, not Atlas. Going to Shwetank.
Just give me a moment.
शैतान पूछ ले यार. थोड़ा पूछ ले एक दो यार. अमेरिकन टूरिस्टर वीआईपी कुछ नहीं ना. कुछ स्कोप है.
American tourists definitely.
Imagine that. A biblical character being named American Tourister. Yeah, his name is Jesus. The white man in the Middle East. यार मैं arrest हो जाऊंगा. Please cut all of this.
Help us. Yeah, want to help us?
Okay, going to Neha.
We've established it's not American Tourister. So, what other?
Just so Neha knows, मेरे पास
Okay,
उसको
fine.
स्कोर देने के लिए रोज में जगह नहीं है.
Let me guess.
यार, ऐसे मतलब मैं जवाब ही नहीं दूं फिर.
नहीं
Ask
दे
anything.
दो, दे दो, लेकिन लगाना पड़ेगा कहीं और साइड में ऐसे एरो करके जाना चाहिए. दोनों साइड खाली है, सिर्फ
अरे
नेहा
ऐसे
नेहा.
कैरी ओवर कर दो सर में. एक ही तो क्वेश्चन है.
Because triple हो गया. In my book, you are in triple
I
digits
think
now.
if it's like a one word thing, Samsonite, is that a biblical term?
Yeah.
Correct answer, it is Samsonite. Samson
Oh,
was a
God.
biblical strong man, and because it was so
Right.
strong, उसको Samsonite नाम दे दिया था. So Samsonite gets the last 10 points for Neha. I just need 1 second to calculate Neha's points.
It's
Shit.
yeah.
It's quite
Triple में तो है
big.
पक्का.
You'll need more than a few seconds. Ava, did you know this answer?
Yeah, I knew it. I was hoping Neha would pass.
I was thinking of this
Okay.
one only.
Yeah, as soon as he said biblical reference, I'm like, Arey, Samson and Delilah, bro.
Oh, wow.
So-
Thank you for that answer. Okay.
We've
Yes,
come to, we've done the calculation. मतलब V क्या होता है यार, मैं नहीं किया सब. तो Anand is at 20 points. Ava is at 30 points. Shwetank is at 40 points. And Neha is
110.
an all-time high scorer now with 105 because
Oh,
the guidebook
Saj.
had 5 points. So
Shit,
105
that is
points.
amazing, dude.
I
And-
swear to God, I'm never doing this again.
Clap. Clap for
And-
you.
With semi-final 2 over, the fun points has a new high scorer, which is Anand
Of
with
course.
8 points. So we
Thank
meet
you.
again
मैंने मेहनत करी है
tomorrow.
बहुत consciously.
Ava and Anand, thank you so much for playing, and Shwetank and Neha. Congratulations, and I'll see you tomorrow.
Oh no, this
the
means
final.
tomorrow again. Jesus.
एक तो ये-
Congratulations,
एक तो she
guys.
always
Tonight.
wins, and then she makes this thing.
Yeah,
God.
Neha, come on.
Arey, but now tomorrow is Ketki, man. Like even I am shit
Bro.
scared of Ketki now.
Neha,
You
I'm
won
betting on
against
you.
her once,
Please.
no, already. तुम जीत चुकी हो. So it's
What?
you have won against Ketki once, no?
No,
I was
I'm
there too.
saying what is he saying? Like on chat. Sorry, my bad. yeah.
Okay.
Thanks, thanks, Adam. I don't think that's gonna work tomorrow.
Guys, I'm betting
Chalo.
on y'all, so like, do well, okay?
Congratulations,
Thank you.
everyone. Thank you for
Nice.
playing.
Jeet,
Thank you.
We'll meet
Jeet, wherever
tomorrow.
you are, I'm sorry. Jeet, I'm just sorry. I have nothing else to say for myself.